And normally you'd probably want to do 2 or 3 sets of 10, between 8 and 12 repetitions. But today, because I am on a time crunch, I'm just going to do one set of each exercise, and I'm going to do about 12, more or less. If I'm off, let me know in the comments below. So the first one after my warm up is just going to be sit to stand using the ball. So I've got my feet apart, core engaged, the ball about chest height, and I'm just going to stand up and sit down. Alrighty, there's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, 12. Sometimes I forget how far I'm supposed to be counting to. Stationary lunges. So for this one, I am going to use the counter. I'm going to put one foot in front, one foot in back. And I'm just going to make sure that the front knee doesn't go beyond my toes. And I'm going to keep my knee in line with my first and second toe. I don't want it wiggling in and I don't want it wiggling out. And I'm just going to go as far as I can comfortably. And I'll do 12 on each side. So I guess I'm just going to count today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now, if you're doing these along with me, feel free to stop as much as you need to and go at your own pace. I'm going straight through because, like I said, I've got to get to work. But if you're at home and you have more time, just do what you can. Maybe you don't get through all the exercises, or maybe you only do, 8 repetitions of each. So, got my right leg in front, core engaged, gonna make sure my knee stays where it's supposed to. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, 12. At work, a lot of times we go with sets of 10. So that's why I keep getting stopping at 10. The next one is going to be the lateral walking with resistance. Don't trip over yourself. Maybe hold on to a chair when you're doing this. And you can do this with the band at the knees or the ankles, your choice. I'm just going to put the chair right over there. And hopefully you can still see me. So for this one, it's the lateral walking. So if you have more space, you can go further. But if you're working with a limited space, and I do want to make sure I'm in the camera frame, I'm just going to take maybe 2 steps to my left, followed by 2 steps to my right. I think that's 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and that's 12. Now, I had it further down the list, but I'm going to do the monster walking or the cowboy walking, depending on how you like to call this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my feet pointing forward, and they're apart maybe 18 inches. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take steps forward, and then I'm going to take steps back. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and I just found a hair tie. 5, 6, when I get back. And now I've been leading with my left. I'm going to lead with the right to even myself out a little bit. 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, when I get back, 11, and that's 12. And that's the last one with the band around my legs. So let me see. I did my marching, I did my sit to stand, my stationary lunges, walking with the resist, and the cowboys. That wraps it up for today. If you have time at home, I would go through and do another set because, along with your 120 minutes of physical activity a week of moderate intensity to help reduce your risk of cardiovascular disease, you also want to work out for about 20 minutes twice a week just to hit all those major muscle groups to keep you strong and active as we age. Thanks for stopping by. I hope to see you soon. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to watch the next one here.